Kingston Public Hospital Accident and Emergency Unit and Operating Theatre flooded, forcing patients to relocate. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Several patients at the Accident and Emergency Department and the operating theatres at the Kingston Public Hospital had to be temporarily relocated after a water pipe got dislocated and ended up flooding the facility, affecting some services on Saturday. The problem was caused by a defective pressure switch that caused excess pressure on the water system, bursting the water pipes and flooding the area, a release said from the Southeast Regional Health Authority. No patients have been adversely affected, and services in the Accident and Emergency Department have been temporarily relocated to another section of the hospital, said the Regional Director, Errol Green.
We brought in a team early in the morning to resolve the problem. The problem has been fixed, and the team is on site at the KPH doing mopping up operations and drying out, and the electricians they're going through to ensure the safety. As of Saturday evening, Accident and Emergency was relocated to another area of the hospital. The services are not at 100%, but we're doing our best to deal with the situation, and we are working feverishly to dry up, to mop up, to swab, to ensure that there's no mold growth or anything like that. And we expect to be back in full operation within short order. We have several operating theatres at the hospital, and we've made arrangements with the Victoria Jubilee and with other hospitals within the region should the need arise. We expect because again, it is subject to drying out and swabbing to ensure that there's no mold growth, and infection control is at its best. So we have to ensure that everything is okay before we can start operating in the operating theatres and go back to full service.
In the meantime, a number of videos have been surfacing on social media which show the extent of the flooding. The Kingston Public Hospital is the largest multidisciplinary hospital in the government healthcare system and is the largest trauma center in Jamaica. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.